This is a capture race challenge for white. Black has many liberties here on the outside. 7 to be exact. And white doesn't seem to have 7 here on the corner. So if white plays something like this might seem like increasing ice space. But black's move here is right here. White cannot cut it off because black can cut and white will die this way. So the best white can do is connect here and white will fall short. You can try a couple other variations on your own, but white will be 1 liberty short this way. If it makes an eye here, similarly, it will still fall short. So number 1 here actually doesn't work. Similarly, if you play this move, it could be a good move, right? Connecting here, preventing a potential cutting point. But in this problem, it's the wrong move. Black can still come in like this. If you stand down, we'll be back to the first variation. If white blocks from this side, then black can bend here, and white will still be short because black has 7 liberties on the outside, and white only has 4. Even when white plays this, black is still 2 liberties ahead of white. So white will fail after black's number 2. So the correct move is to occupy this point first. Now black must play on the outside like this. If black cuts, then white can stand down and all of a sudden white is alive. White will have 2 real eyes this way. So black must play on the outside. And now white can play this move. Black must come in here and destroy the second real eye. And now white can play on the outside. Now let's see if white can win this race to capture. And the answer is yes. This is exactly what white wants. A real eye versus no eye situation. And now black cannot come in here because white will be able to capture from behind. So that is why 1, 3, and 5 can guarantee white success. Playing number 5 here on the second line is also important because otherwise black will be able to make a real eye here. And this will be a seki shape in the end. So by playing here on the second line, white will prevent black from making a real eye. And thus, this will be a real eye versus no eye situation. And white will prevail in the end. Hope you enjoyed the pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.